Alright, so yesterday we discussed about the logarithmic functions. Page 26, okay, logarithms of a product. So observe that the multiplication, when you expand, it becomes addition, okay? Or it equals to addition of each term. Logarithm of x base of b plus logarithm of y base of b. The next one is the logarithms of a quotient or divide. Okay, observe. The division is equal to logarithm of logarithm of x base of b minus logarithm of y base of b. So just like the laws of exponent, when we multiply, we add the exponent, right? When we divide, we minus or we subtract the exponent. Then the last one, the logarithms of a power. Observe that the exponent p, okay, move before or next to the symbol of logarithm. Okay, so let us have some examples. Page 27. Okay, I'm going to answer 1 to 10. Okay, express in terms of logarithm of x, logarithm of y, logarithm of z, and logarithm of w with the base of a. So it means no exponent na. Okay. Your answer must not have exponent. For number 1, so by applying the first law of logarithms, the multiplication, okay, when you expand, it is addition. So logarithm of x base of a plus logarithm of y base of a. And that's it. For number 2, logarithm of x, y, z base of a. Logarithm of x, y, z base of a. So, okay, so plus logarithm of y base of a plus logarithm of z base of a. Next one, number 3. So I think you can write the answer on your own. Number 3. For number 4, logarithm of a base of a x over y z. So first, let us have the division first, okay? Because x divided by y, z. That's how we read it, okay? X plus or minus? Minus. Then parentheses na because they are one set. Okay? Both of them. Then logarithm of, this is multiplied, y plus logarithm of z. Don't forget the parentheses. Okay? It means that both of them are the denominator. If I do, is cheating already because that's the exact answer. Next one. Logarithm of quantity xy power of 2 over z. So let us separate first the division. Step by step. Okay, look at me first, don't copy so that you can follow. Okay, so first step, so I separate or the division first. This one minus logarithm of z base of a. Next, let us remove the parentheses. Logarithm of x power of 2a plus parentheses. Logarithm of y power of 2, then minus logarithm of z base of a. The next one, your answer must not have exponent. The third law of logarithm. Okay. The exponent will be moved in here. So 2 logarithm of x base of a plus 2 logarithm of y base of a minus logarithm of z base of a. Copy. Oh, there's another way, okay? Another answer. Example na, I will start from here. Logarithm. I can still consider if you answer this like this. Then move it here, right? So 2, okay, logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. Oh, sorry, base of a minus logarithm of z base of a. This one is also correct. Okay. So this is only arrangement. Okay. X, y, power of 2. Alright, next one. So we have logarithm of x plus, okay, let's do the shortcut way now. This is power of 2, so it means I will write 2 logarithm of y, then plus 3 logarithm of w. So since there's a simple square root, so let us convert first in exponential or into exponent. Okay, logarithm base of a x y power of no, not 2, 1/2 or 1/2. Okay. Do not put parentheses, okay, because not only variable y has inside or is inside the square root. Don't put parentheses, okay? Only y. Then w. Next, so now we can expand. Plus 1/2, okay, logarithm of y. Don't forget the parentheses. It means this full set or two of them are in numerator. So minus logarithm of w. This one, number 8. Okay. Both x and y are inside the square root. Or is inside the square root. Okay. Next, so again, let's convert first into exponent. So now, since x and y is inside or are inside the square root, so parentheses xy power of 1/2 over zw. So we can do 1/2, parenthesis, logarithm of x plus logarithm of y over, not over, minus, logarithm of z plus logarithm of w. For 9. X power of 2 so we have 2 logarithm of x minus, or do you want step by step? Step by step. So we have logarithm of x power of 2 minus this one, logarithm of y power of 2 plus logarithm of z power of 3. Then move it here. 2 logarithm of x minus 2 logarithm of y base of a plus 3 logarithm of z. X power of 3, y power of 2, z, w power of 12. Why this is not alphabetical order? Okay, so let's do it step by step. X power of 3, y power of 2, minus logarithm of z, w power of 4. Okay, this 2. So we have 3 logarithm of x plus 2 logarithm of y base of a minus logarithm of z plus 4 logarithm of